seeds come develop inside a fruit, and the fruits develop from flowers. Did you know that? So here's the flower of a bean, and then we've got a baby bean just starting, and then we've got a bean that's a little bit bigger, and then here we've got beans that are nearly ready to pick, and then very big ones that are ready to pick. And when we pick them, inside we have a look, and then there's the beans that are the seeds that you can grow a new plant from. So here's the beans. Okay, these are called borlotti beans. So some beans you eat the whole pod when they're smaller, and other beans you use this part to eat, or you can grow the new plant from it. Underneath the leaves is a tomato flower. There's the little tomato developing. Here's one that's nearly ripe, and there's a ripe one. And so we can pick this one, and we can have a look inside and find the seeds that we're going to plant. When we've picked beans and we want to save the seed, you need to wait until the seed, you can see the seed clearly formed inside the pod, and where there's no seed is very skinny, so it bulges out. You can dry the pods like this, and once they're dried fully, it can probably take a couple of weeks. They're very easy to just snap open, they break open easily, and then you make sure that they're fully dry before you store them. You can store them in a paper bag or in a plastic bag with once they're fully dried for planting your next season. I'll show you what they look like inside. These are borlotti beans, so usually you find them in the supermarket for cooking in soups and stews. Other beans that you eat the whole pod of, it's the same process. You wait until the seed is fully visible inside the pod. The rest of the pod will be flat. You can see there's another one there. If it's like this one, this is not ready for seed collection. It's not fully mature yet. So you can take all your seeds out and store them. You can store them in the fridge or in a cool, dry place, and then ready for planting the next season. This is the tomato. Tomatoes are fleshy fruit, so if we're going to store them, we need to make sure that we've removed the flesh, separated it from the seed. You can just squeeze it and just squeeze it out and scrape the seeds out like that. And then you can separate them on a piece of paper towel. You can actually plant them straight away, or same thing, you just dry them until they're fully dry. It'll probably take at least a week. And then you put them again into a dry spot in a paper bag or a plastic bag, ready for planting next season.